I accepted God's call to be a pastor very reluctantly at the beginning. When I saw how God's transformation happened to me in my trials, I wanted other people to feel the same way, to feel that intimacy and that you're wanted and you're loved, and no matter what you've been through. So I said yes. This day is important to me because it's a milestone of me serving at another level in a new way. I've come back home to Southeastern and physically, and here I've shed tears, I've remembered moments. I can tell you what happened in that corner and that corner, right here in this main pavilion. It's a foundational place. I was talking to a pastor today, and I was telling him, experiences like these humble me because it reminds me of the tears that were shed, of the experiences that were had, of the moments where I said, I'm not enough, I give up. But God still saw me, and He still loved me enough to say, I'm not done with you yet. My family became important because I didn't know they were needed to be important. One of the things I say all the time, your first ministry, the place you're going to learn how to deal with everybody outside in the world is at your house. And I didn't realize how important that was myself until I went through a healing process. I went through counseling, I went through coaching, and the Word of God was there, but the Word of God did not make sense to me because I was so hurt, I was so traumatized by things or negative things that I was holding on in my past. I was going to church, but it was just emotions. So my family then, after healing, became important. My mother was seen, now I can see her as the nurturer. I can see her for herself, not for what I didn't like or what hurt me, but I can see her. I can see my father. I can see my children. So that's why family comes first and is more important. I want to take this opportunity to first thank Southeastern Conference and the administration. Don't get me started, I'll start crying because it's too many people, starting from Dr. Owusu and Pastor Francois, Pastor Charles, who literally called me, texted me when I was in school, made sure I was okay at the seminary, and we still talk to this day. But the myriad of people, it's too many. I will lose friends and mentors, past and present, if I go on. But today, I have to say thank you to my mom. Because of the ministry I do with women especially, I learned from my mother and her sisters and her nieces. My family's full of women. The ins and outs of trials and tribulations. And I also learned what leaning on another woman looks like. My mom had to lean on her sister in order to raise me. So I want to thank her for her sacrifice and everything she's done for me, and the list goes on. If I had the words to say thank you to God, it wouldn't be enough. As I sit down here, God thought about me so much, and He made sure every step, even when I was unsure of myself, when I didn't know what to do, what to grasp, He still made sure that I always had resources to be resilient, to get back up, to push through what I don't even understand. Left to my own graces, I wouldn't be sitting here. But He saw and still sees such amazing possibilities that He opens doors in places where I'm not qualified to go through by human standards. So to say thank you to God, those words are not enough. But I am amazed by Him and how He loves. If I tell you I don't understand love, that'd be a lie. Because all I have to do is look at just even 2 seconds ago what God did and how He provides for me. And I understand what love is.